In this video, we will learn how to add AD account expiration attribute to Okta and convert to date format. Let's get started. First, log into your Okta admin dashboard. Navigate to Directory, then Profile Editor. From there, under Users, click Directories and click on the profile you want to add the attribute to. Next, click Add Attribute and add Account Expires attribute, and click Save to save your changes. Then refresh the page to verify your changes. Now, we will navigate to Directory Integrations, then the Active Directory, and Import. Then click Import Now, and import to manually import the attribute in the Active Directory. After it is done importing, go to Assignments and search for your Okta profile. Click on the profile and go to the Profile tab. Scroll down to the bottom and confirm that the profile has no expiration date. Navigate back to Profile Editor and then Directories. Now select Mappings next to the profile, and then copy and paste this string from the description next to the account, expires attribute, click Save Mappings, and apply updates now. Search for the user profile and verify the account's expiration date. And that is how you add AD account expiration attribute to Okta and convert to date format. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to us on YouTube.